Hello, everyone. It's Donna, and I'm here today for this video to make or show you how I made my Big Amaya some tuxedo pants. And I use RADDollClothes 70s Hippy Chic pattern, slightly modified to be more of a straight leg instead of a flared leg. But anyway, here's how I did it, and we will talk to you later. Bye. So I didn't film cutting out the pieces of the cotton or serging the edges. This is just kind of like a prototype. This is the modified 70s hippie chic pattern that I made right here for these yellow pants for Maya. And what I'm thinking about doing is this piece right here that is the waistband. On these, I'm thinking about moving the opening to the front and having something here. And then this being the waist, I was thinking about having it maybe red or something. I don't know. It's kind of like the cummerbund. Um, I don't know. This is just a prototype to see um, what I'm doing on these to see if it's going to work. And if it is, I have some black micro suede that I think I may try to um, do this out of, but I want to see how it works now. So I may actually do this since it is just a prototype in the cotton. I don't know, but I'll continue on when I figure out what I'm doing next. Okay, the next thing I've done, um, initially I was going to try to do a wide satin stitch, but it just didn't seem big enough for the girl as tall as she is. I mean, in mine I'll do like 9 millimeter, but I don't know. It didn't seem right. I could get it pretty close, but it didn't look as good as I thought this would. And I looked in some of my ribbons, and I didn't have anything that I thought. Well, I didn't have anything in enough quantity that I thought that I could do on the test and then do on the final product. So I've got this. It's kind of actually it's more of a darker silver, not quite charcoal, but it's a fold over elastic, and I've sewn it down the outer leg of both of them now. So I think the next thing that I'm going to do is take the backs probably and go ahead and sew them together. And then I haven't cut out the waistband yet because, like I said, I was undecided on whether I was going to try to use red as a cummerbund or just black. And I think for this, I'm going to leave it black because that way she can use them for more dressier occasions, which might not necessarily require a tuxedo. Anyway, that's my thoughts right now. I'll continue a little bit more when I've made more progress on these. But until then, I'll keep plugging along. Next, on the construction of the tuxedo pants, I did go ahead and serge the backs seam, and then I sewed them together because I am going to just have it open in the front. And instead of going for a red for a cummerbund, I went for this little swirly black or gray on black, I guess, fabric, just to give it a little bit of a detail. And it'll be a little bit dressier than just black. And let's see how it's going to go. I think that's going to match this on here. Okay, at least. but we finally making progress again after being a couple of weeks this just sitting here and not doing anything. Hopefully I'll get this done, so hold on, I'll be back. Next, I have gone ahead and actually serged the waistband on here. I'm about to turn it up and press it. I just wanted to show you the progress that I've gotten thus far. I don't know if I'm going to be able to press it and iron or make a video at the same time or not. And I have to be careful because I don't want this fold over elastic to melt either. So I will be back. Okay, I turned this up and I don't know if you can see it from this side, but I kind of did a little top stitch right here just to hold all of this down so it doesn't flip up. And then I went ahead and folded under and hemmed both legs. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and do the other side seam, and then I'll come back or do the other side seam, and I'll kind of press it, and then I'll go ahead and do the, wait a second. I'll go ahead and somehow do this closure up here, and then I will be ready for the to to sew the inner leg seam. I was just a little bit confused here doing it, changing it from the front to the back, but you know, confusion in me is the name of the game today. So I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, so now I have actually sewn this little piece right here together, and then I went ahead and closed on this, the inner leg. I'm about to turn them out and then I'll press them. And now I don't know if you can tell the entire way, but Amaya has her tuxedo pants on. I did not have a black snap. All I had was brown, and I accidentally put it too low, but hey, it's a prototype, so I'm not too worried about it. But let me show you. I have this bodysuit on her, so it makes these don't really look like they fit. It's actually the bodysuit that's too large. But these are her tuxedo pants. So she will have tuxedo pants just in time for New Year's. So happy New Year's to everyone. This is Maya Monday, and it happens to be New Year's Eve, or excuse me, New Year's Day. So hopefully your 2024 will be very creative for you and your dolls. Anyway, that's going to end this video as I show you her and her new tuxedo pants once again. Bye.